You're welcome to my channel. This is Vsmdesigns. Today I am going to show you how to make this caftan design with ease. This is a very simple design that has been around for some time now. Without wasting any time, let us head straight to the business of the day. Now, before you make this design, you must have joined your outfit, join the shoulders, pipe your neck, and just do everything apart from fixing the sleeves. Then the next thing you are going to do is to take your measurements. You are going to place your tape the way I am doing right now. Meanwhile, I am going to fold the down part of it the way I would fold it after sewing. Then I will go ahead and take the measurement. Just make sure that it goes below the full length. Then that is the length you are going to take here. But then it's very important that you add extra allowance in case of necessity. Like in this one, I added about extra 4 or 5 inches and it was okay. So I am taking 12 inches wide. The wideness of the design is going to be 12 inches. Remember, it's going to be folded. So this is it. The next I am going to do is to slant one end of the fabric that I just cut out. Just like the way I am doing it here, you are going to fold it slanted or biased like this in such a way that you are going to have a pointed end. Now we are on the machine, so we are going to fold the sides. We are going to fold the 3 sides. Just fold it the way you normally fold your shirt tail. It's just the same, no difference. The way you do your shirt tail, that is exactly what you are going to do here. This is the down part, the slanted part. We are also going to fold it the same way. Now we are going to fold the other side of it. You can see that this thing is pointed. It is very tiny. So what you are going to do is to just cut off a bit and fold it this way, and now do your normal folding so that you are going to have a neat finishing at the very pointed area. Then you fold it and go ahead and fold the rest of the side. Now we are done with the folding. So you go ahead and smoothen it. It's very important so that your job will always be neat. You smoothen all the parts that you folded, and after smoothing it, the next thing we are going to do is to fold the fabric, to fold this design to form that particular design that we want to achieve. So you are going to first of all determine the center of this. You mark the center and then you are going to fold it this way. I want it to have a little overlap. Let it have a little overlap like this. Then you go ahead and iron it down. I also get the center of this very side, and I repeat the same process. Now I am lacing it up with hemming gum. That is the upper part of it. The upper part only is where I am putting this hemming gum. I don't know why it is blurry this way, but it is only the upper part of it. The side I am bending right now, that was where I added hemming gum. So after bending it this way, I am marking off where the bend is. I am taking note of that, where the bend is. So I am going to sew it this way on top of this very outfit. Now, I will need to move it from here, and there's every possibility that if I move it, it's going to shift. Therefore, I am pinning it with a fixed pin so that I can easily take it to the table. Then I will run thread here, which I've just done. I did not show you that part, but it's something I believe that you can achieve. So now you still bend it this way, and after doing this, you just go ahead and run thread here and cut the excess off, and after that you join your sleeves and complete your outfit, and your design is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and to your colleagues. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Take your time, scroll through, and there must be something new that you can learn, because learning never ends. See you on my next video.